My dearest friends, welcome. Welcome to a truly magical and deeply creative journey, a journey into the vibrant world of visualization, where you will consciously craft your desires and powerfully manifest your dreams into reality. Take a deep, gentle breath with me now, allowing the air to fill you with a sense of quiet excitement and boundless possibility. And as you slowly exhale, just imagine letting go of any doubts about your ability to create, any limiting beliefs about what you deserve, or any uncertainty about your future. Just for these precious moments, let them gently soften and begin to float away. For today, we are going to talk about something utterly essential for bringing your deepest desires to life. How to gently, yet powerfully create a vision board, how to manifest your dreams visually, and how to consciously attract the success, joy, and abundance you truly desire. I know that for many, the idea of manifesting or creating your reality might seem abstract or even too good to be true. But I am here to gently, yet firmly, remind you that you are a powerful creator and your thoughts and intentions are the blueprint for your life. So, settle in, relax, and open your heart. Your journey to visually manifesting your dreams begins now. Hello again, beautiful souls. It is such a joy to be with you, to connect heart to heart in this sacred space of intention and creative power. For those of you who might be new to my gentle way of working, I want to assure you that everything I share comes from a place of deep love and an unwavering belief in your inherent worthiness. You see, for so long, many of us have lived our lives passively, reacting to circumstances rather than consciously creating them. We might have vague desires but lack clarity on what we truly want, or we might carry limiting beliefs that tell us our dreams are out of reach. We might feel overwhelmed by the process of setting goals or unsure how to effectively attract what we desire. And in doing so, we often create a reality that feels uninspired, stagnant, or simply not aligned with our deepest longings. We might feel frustrated, unfulfilled, and unable to move forward towards our ideal life. But my dears, I am here to gently, yet firmly, remind you that your mind is a powerful magnet, and you are constantly attracting experiences that match your dominant thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. My work and the wisdom I've shared over the years is rooted in this fundamental truth: I am willing to change. And changing how we envision our future, how we consciously set our intentions, and how we visually impress our desires upon our subconscious mind is one of the most profound acts of self-love and conscious creation you can ever undertake. Today, we'll discover gentle wisdom and practical steps that can help you create a powerful vision board to manifest your dreams visually and attract incredible success into your life. Let's begin by truly understanding the profound power of visualization and the law of attraction. The universe operates on vibrations. Like attracts like. When you clearly visualize your desires, you send a powerful energetic signal to the universe. Your subconscious mind also speaks in images and emotions. A vision board is a physical, tangible representation of your dreams and goals, a constant visual reminder that keeps your intentions front and center in your mind and heart, consistently broadcasting your desires to the universe. It's not just a collection of pretty pictures. It's a powerful tool for aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with what you truly want to create. The first step in creating your vision board is clarity and intention. Before you gather any materials, take some quiet time to truly reflect on what you desire in all areas of your life. Career and finance. What is your dream job? What income do you wish to manifest? What kind of financial freedom do you desire? Relationships. What kind of loving connections do you want? A soulmate, deeper friendships, harmonious family relationships. Health and well-being. What does vibrant health look like for you? What kind of energy do you want to have? What self-care practices do you wish to embody? Personal growth and spirituality. What new skills do you want to learn? How do you want to grow as a person? What spiritual connection do you wish to deepen? Home and environment. What does your ideal living space look like? Do you desire a new home or simply a more peaceful environment? Travel and adventure. What experiences do you want to have? Be specific, but also allow room for the universe to bring you something even better. Write down these desires. Feel the emotions of already having them. Affirm, I am clear on my desires and open to receiving them. My intentions are powerful and manifest with ease. Next, let's gather your vision board materials. This is the fun, creative part. A board. This can be a cork board, a poster board, a large piece of cardstock, or even a digital board. Choose something that feels expansive to you. Magazines. Gather a stack of magazines that appeal to you. Travel, home decor, health, finance, fashion, nature, spiritual magazines. Don't censor yourself. Just rip out anything that catches your eye. Images and words. You can also print images from the internet, photos, postcards, or write out powerful affirmations and words by hand. Scissors and glue/tape. Essential for assembling your masterpiece. Optional. Markers, stickers, glitter. Anything that brings you joy and creativity. The key is to gather materials that evoke a strong, positive emotion within you when you look at them. Affirm, I gather beautiful images that inspire my soul. My vision board materials are abundant and perfect. Now comes the joyful process of creating your vision board. Intuitive selection. Go through your collected images and words. Don't overthink it. Choose what genuinely excites you, what makes your heart sing, what truly represents your desires. Placement with intention. As you place each image or word on your board, consciously infuse it with your intention. For example, if you place a picture of a dream home, feel what it would be like to live there. If you place a word like abundance, feel prosperous. Organize as you wish. There's no right or wrong way to organize your board. You can categorize it by life area, or just create a collage that feels harmonious and inspiring to you. Some prefer to. Put their most important goal in the center. Include affirmations. Don't forget to include powerful affirmations alongside your images. Write them out clearly. For example, I am financially free. I am in a loving, supportive relationship. My body is vibrant and healthy. Make it beautiful and personal. This is your vision board. Make it a reflection of your dreams and your unique spirit. Enjoy the creative process. It's part of the manifestation. As you create, feel the excitement and certainty of these dreams already being real. Affirm, I create my vision board with joy and powerful intention. Every image on my board reflects my deepest desires. Once your vision board is complete, the work is not over, my dears. The next crucial step is to engage with your vision board daily. Place it prominently. Put your vision board in a place where you will see it every single day. Perhaps in your bedroom, office, or meditation space. Daily visualization. Spend a few minutes each day looking at your board. Don't just glance at it. Truly engage with it. Look at each image, read each affirmation, and most importantly, feel the emotions of already having those things. How would it feel to wake up in that dream home? To have that loving partner? To be experiencing that career success? Speak your affirmations. As you look at the images, speak the corresponding affirmations out loud with conviction. Trust and release. After your daily engagement, release the outcome to the universe. Trust that it is working on your behalf. You've placed your order. Now let go of the how and allow the universe to deliver in its perfect timing and perfect way. This daily practice keeps your desires fresh in your subconscious mind, aligns your energy with your goals, and trains your brain to notice opportunities that might have otherwise been overlooked. Affirm, I engage with my vision board daily with joy and faith. My dreams are manifesting in perfect divine order. Let's also talk about the importance of feeling good now. The law of attraction responds to your vibration, and your vibration is determined by how you feel. The more you feel positive emotions, joy, gratitude, love, excitement, the more you attract those kinds of experiences into your life. Don't wait for your vision board items to manifest before you feel good. Find things to be grateful for in your current life. Listen to uplifting music, spend time in nature, laugh with friends. Do whatever helps you feel good, because that positive energy is your most powerful attracting force. Affirm, I choose to feel good now, knowing it attracts my desires. My positive emotions are a magnet for success. Consider the gentle power of flexibility and adaptation. Sometimes the universe brings us something even better than what we initially envisioned. Be open to how your desires might manifest. The path may not always be what you expect, and sometimes a door closes so that a better one can open. Trust the process. Affirm, I am flexible and open to the universe's higher plan. I trust that all things work out for my highest good. This is not a process of instant perfection, my dears. It is a gentle, ongoing practice of co-creation with the universe. Some desires may manifest quickly, others may take time. Be patient with yourself. Be persistent in your vision and your positive feelings. Every conscious choice to visualize, every affirmation spoken, every moment of feeling good is a step towards bringing your dreams to fruition. Remember, you are deeply worthy of all your heart's desires. You deserve a life that is vibrant, abundant, and deeply fulfilling. Your mind is an incredible creative tool, and by consciously creating a vision board, you empower yourself to manifest your most beautiful dreams. With love, clarity, and consistent engagement, you can transform your aspirations into your living reality. So, my beloved friends, as we gently bring this session to a close, I want to remind you that transformation begins with small, consistent thoughts of love and peace. Every time you consciously choose to envision your dreams, every time you lovingly affirm your desires, every moment you feel the joy of your future self. These are the tiny seeds that blossom into your profound success, abundant manifestation, and a life filled with extraordinary joy. You have the power within you right now to cultivate a reality that serves your highest good and brings you immense fulfillment. Keep practicing these powerful affirmations daily. Let them be your gentle guide. And if this message has touched your heart, if it has brought you a glimmer of hope or a spark of inspiration, please show your love by liking this video. Subscribe to our channel so we can continue to share these healing sessions and grow our community of conscious creators. And please share this video with anyone you feel might benefit to spread this positivity and love far and wide. For when you share love, you multiply it. Remember, my darlings, you are loved, you are worthy, and you are magnificent. Go forth and create your beautiful dreams with love. All is well.